Hi, welcome to EaseUS channel. This video we will share with you how to copy USB flash drive to another. Click like or leave comments if you like this video. Subscribe for more useful tutorials. There are three main situations when you need to copy USB to another one. 1. Upgrade USB storage capacity. If you have used your USB for a long time, it might be filled up or destroyed by repeated insertion and removal. 2. Backup USB. Copy USB drive to another will duplicate an exact one to prevent data loss. 3. Share files and data. Copy USB to another USB allows sharing the same information with others, and you can duplicate a bootable USB to share the same booting system. Now, let's learn how to copy a USB drive to another USB. Here are some preparations. First, you need reliable disk cloning software to copy USB without losing data. When it comes to copy a USB, most people may think of copy and paste. However, that method is only useful when you have a small amount of files, and it may cause data loss during the process. A disk cloning tool will assist you copy large files quickly without any loss. EaseUS Disk Copy is a popular one that most users choose. It will create a 1-to-1 copy of your USB drive to another without any data loss. In addition, it also allows you to create a bootable USB disk with simple clicks. Download it from the EaseUS official website, install and activate it on your Windows computer. Then, insert 2 USB drives into your desktop or laptop and make sure they can be recognized correctly. Remember each USB's letter, or you can differentiate them according to their capacities. You need to note that the space used by the source USB must be smaller than the target one. If the target USB has data stored on it, back it up since the cloning process will erase all data on it. Now, you can copy USB to another with EaseUS Disk Copy. The following steps are also helpful in cloning a bootable USB drive to another one or cloning a USB to another identical, larger, or smaller capacity USB drive. Let's get started. Step 1. Launch EaseUS Disk Copy and select Disk Mode. Step 2. Choose the source USB that you want to copy and click Next. Step 3. Select the target USB to which you want to copy to and click Next. Step 4. Adjust the disk layout. You can choose among Auto-Fit the disk, Copy as the source, and Edit disk layout as your preference, then click Proceed. Step 5. A pop-up window will warn you that the data on the target disk will be erased. Click Continue. Then, wait for the cloning process to complete. You'll get a new cloned USB, and all data on the source USB has been transferred to the destination USB. This is all about how to copy USB flash drive to another. Subscribe to us if you like it.